po, konnichiwa people. This is Dragon Sasori. Kuya Pasabi, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe. Likes. And comments.
Comments.
And share. Dragon Sasori.
Dragon Sasori.
Sasori.
Nalilito mo ako.
Ano, nabili ka rin?
Ano mo ako ng toyo. Yung, oo. O yung nasa paklang. Malaki. Tapos paminta. 4. Dilaw. Saka magic sarap 3.
Konnichiwa people, this is fishball vendor here in my place. Si Kuya, very masipag. Ayan. Kuya, anong tawag dyan?
Ito po, kwek-kwek ma'am.
Kwek-kwek. Yan po ang kwek-kwek.
Ito mga ay squid ball.
This is the squid ball. Ayan. Si Kuya. Kuya, anong pangalan mo?
Ronald Hanner Aya po. Ronald Hanner Aya.
Talagang buong-buo. Yung ano na lang.
Aya.
Nickname.
Aya.
Ayan. Si Aya. Kuya Aya ay... He is a vendor of fishball and kwek-kwek here on my place. There is my house. Yung parang squatter na gate. Ayan, very masipag si Kuya. So, bumibili po si Dragon Sasori ng tinda niyang kwek-kwek at fishball dahil ang sabi nila is very delicious.
Chasing dreams under skies so wide.
This is Dragon Sasori. Yan, si Kuya Aya. Aya? Ayap. Ano yun na? String beans?
Letter A.
A-Y-A-P. Eh di ayap nga yung string beans. Thank you so much mga konnichiwa people. This is Dragon Sasori. Kuya Pasabi, please subscribe. Subscribe. Likes and comments
and
share. Dragon Sasori. Sasori.
Nalilito mo ako.
Dragon Sasori.
Nabubulol, ma'am.
Nabubulol daw siya. But anyway, thank you so much po. He is a very masarap na tindang kwek-kwek. Thank you so much. Happy life. Bye-bye, Ayap.
Every step with friends by our side, kites flying high, hearts full of cheer. These are the days we'll hold dear. Oh, how can you not? With friends by our side, kites flying high, hearts full of cheer. These are the days we'll hold dear.
Kuya, sa pinggan kong plastic, 12. Tig 12. Hindi, yung fishball. Magkano ba yun?
How can you not?
Fishball ha, hindi yan. Fishball, magkano nga?
5 piso yan.
So, bali 12. 12 yung plastic. And then 18 yung babasag yung pinggan. Ito, yung plastic, 12. At saka yung babasag yung pinggan ay 18.